Hi everyone, in this tutorial today I will show you a super easy build trick to make a glowing tree in Heartopia. No overlapping, no glitch, and it only takes a minute. First, just go to the advanced build like this. Just tap on the button at the top right corner, this one, until it shows a views like this. And then next just go to the materials, this one, and then just choose this menu, and then just choose the big tree decorations like this, and then just place it as you like. I want to place it on here like this, and then just tap on checklist like this. And then next just add a low wall next to the tree. For example like this, and then just drag it upward until it's roughly in the middle of the leaf. For example like this, and then like this. And then next just add the ceiling or floor, and then just place it on here like this. Check please. And then next you can change the ceiling color. Just tap on the coloring, and then just choose ceiling, and then just choose the color that you like. For example, I want to change it to brown that has the same color with the tree. For example like this. And then you can also coloring the and then next you can also coloring another side like this. And after that just add a ceiling lamp, this one, this round ceiling light, and then just place it on here, for example like this. And then next just checklist, and after that just delete the low walls, just delete all the low walls like this. And that's it. Now you have a beautiful glowing tree like this, and it looks special, and it looks especially amazing at night like this. You can see it. You can see it's glowing in the dark like this. It's so beautiful. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.